Click search bar and type CMD. Right-click command prompt and click Run as administrator. Type the following I mentioned commands by one. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Right-click Ethernet icon and open Network and Internet settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network and click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8. Type 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Close Windows. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, click search bar and type network reset. Click network reset. Click reset now. Click yes. Click close. Close window. And restart your PC. Problem solved. Subscribe.